Let's take a look at the get dash command, which is a commandlet in PowerShell. I'm going to show you some tricks on how to use that on a daily basis. This is one of those types of PowerShell commandlets that everybody should know. So if I type in get dash command, what it's going to do is it's going to give me a list of every single different command that we can type into PowerShell. Now, of course, there's many pages. So I'll hit the up arrow to get the get dash command again, and I'm going to type in the pipe key, which is just below the backspace key, and then type the word more. And that's going to allow us to see one page at a time. It's a little bit easier, and that way you can see all the different commandlets that you can do. Now, if I hit enter, it's going to go up one command at a time. But if I hit the space bar, it's going to go a page at a time. So I'll just go ahead and do that to make it go a little bit faster until it's all done. Now let's show a couple of tricks that we can do to find a command to get to be able to see that a little bit more easily, all the different options. So if I do get dash command followed by dash name, and then I'm going to put in the star key followed by the word event log. So what that's going to do is it's going to give us anything that ends in the word event log. Remember, a PowerShell commandlet is a verb-noun, so we're seeing anything that ends in the noun event log. Now, I can do the same thing to show the verbs as well. So instead of putting in star event log, I can put in, say, the word write and then followed by star. So this is any commandlet that starts with the word write. Hit enter, and there are all my different commandlets that can start with the word write. You also happen to see some aliases. Aliases basically allow us to switch back and forth between a command prompt and PowerShell without actually having to do the physical switch. So for instance, if I typed in dir, dir is basically a command prompt command, but I can type that into PowerShell because there's an alias for it in there. Now, if we'd like to get some help with this get dash command commandlet, we can type in get dash help followed by get dash command, and then we can type in dash full if we want to see all of the help. So I'll type it without the dash full to start with, and we see some basic help type commandlets. But if I put in the word dash full, we're going to see a lot more information that can help us. And you can scroll up to get a little bit more as well. So now we see the various different parameters, and we can see the information that goes along with those. So that is how we use get dash command and some tips and tricks on how to make that work for you.